Welcome back, everybody, to another box. That's right, part 2. And this time, the sickle is only here ceremonially, because we already opened it. But no worries, I will still open it on camera, because this is still unboxing, and it's part 2. Woohoo! So this, oh my gosh, will you, okay. Okay, now we're good. So this is part 2 of our unboxing series, where we will build a computer. Yeah! With ceremonial unboxing sickle. Not for any other mysterious sickle uses of sorts. Oh, and Poncho's here too. Yep, he's eating food. So yeah, we have a keyboard. Da-da-da-da. It's a very nice Saturn keyboard by Utechsmart. And yeah, it is very nice looking. I'm a big fan of this. It's got a nice little braided cable. Yeah. And once we take it out of here, and perfect. Yeah. Then we line it up like this, and we plug it in to the computer. Where, yeah, yep, we plug it in to the computer. And nope, no, don't, There we go. It lights up with RG and B. Yep. It's pretty cool. You can actually dial it back a couple bits, or dial it up a couple bits. And yeah, it flashes like that. Now, listen closely to the sounds it makes. Okay, maybe it's not silent. Oops. Oh crap. Okay, maybe it's not silent, but it is pretty quiet. Listen. Well, if you wouldn't beep so much, computer, shut up. Okay, not so loud. There we go. So, you may hear it in some videos, some recordings, but it won't be the dominating feature. It won't be the looming loud, it won't be the super mega loud mechanical keyboard that might as well be a cannon firing in your videos. But yeah, it's a pretty good one. I like it a lot. Has a little number pad like I wanted. It has RGB like a lot of people wanted. I don't know if I wanted it, but I like it. But yeah, but is this actually off? Oh, it actually is off. Okay, come back on. Wait, please. Oops. Okay, we'll be right back once I've solved this technical issue. You did this. Welcome back to the land of the living, cell phone. Jeez, it dies like so quickly. Anyway, as I was saying, what was I saying? Anyway, look at this right here. WASD on the arrow keys. It's kind of redundant. I don't know why they did that. It's like, oh look, I can type in WAS and D over here. So that's convenient. I guess it's cool. Anyway, in other news, channel's been doing pretty well. Up to 90 subscribers. And yeah, oh hey, what are you doing? Go on. Yeah, we're doing pretty well for ourselves in our little channel. I appreciate having you guys on board. It's been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed this a lot, and I hope you have too. If you did enjoy, be sure to follow us on Twitter, like, comment, and subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you in the next unboxing video, or whatever comes out next. Bye now.